Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to start using Trust Wallet. First, you'll need to download the official Trust Wallet application from your device's app store. It's crucial to verify you are getting the correct app to protect your assets. Trust Wallet offers support for over 1 million digital assets across more than 70 different blockchains, making it a versatile choice for managing your cryptocurrencies. Once the app is installed, open it and choose the Create a New Wallet option. Take a moment to review and accept the terms of service and privacy policy. This step is essential for understanding how your data is handled. Next, you will set up a secure 6-digit passcode, which is vital for protecting your wallet from unauthorized access. This is the most critical step, securing your recovery phrase. You will receive a 12-word phrase, which is the master key to your digital assets. It is absolutely vital to write this phrase down on a physical piece of paper and store it in a secure, private place. Never, under any circumstances, share this phrase with anyone, as it grants full access to your funds. After successfully confirming your recovery phrase, your new Trust Wallet is ready to be funded. You can tap the Receive button to find your unique wallet address for different cryptocurrencies you wish to add. Alternatively, Trust Wallet provides a convenient buy feature, allowing you to purchase various digital assets directly within the application using fiat currency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.